Zuzu sniffed a yellow flower, and her nose started twitching. Her eyes squinted, her nose wiggled faster and faster. It's coming. Achoo. A tiny sneeze. Then another. She couldn't stop sneezing. Each sneeze made her hop backward a little. After 5 sneezes, she tumbled backward into soft grass, dizzy. She sat up rubbing her nose, eyes watery but smiling. Finally stopped. She looked at the flower from far away and giggled. No more sniffing flowers. Sometimes curiosity makes you sneeze.